Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 3 of science, that is matters and non-matters. We see many things around us, either they are made up of a metal or a non-metal. So how to distinguish whether the thing which we are seeing is made up of a metal or a non-metal? For this, we need to study physical properties of metal and non-metal. With the help of this, we'll be able to recognize whether the given thing is made up of a metal or a non-metal. So, the first topic which we are going to study is physical properties of metals. Metals are solid, but there is an exception, mercury. Mercury is the only metal which is in a liquid state. Next is metals are hard, but sodium, potassium and lithium are the metals which are soft. You can cut them into pieces with the help of knife. Metals have metallic luster, means they have shining surface. Gold, copper, silver, all of them are having shining surface. Metals are malleable. Malleability means they can be beaten into thin sheets. If you take a piece of iron and hammer it, it can be converted into a thin sheet of iron. Metals are ductile. Ductility means they can be drawn into wires. The wires which you are seeing in your house are either made up of copper or aluminium. Due to this malleability and ductility, metals can be given any shape as per the requirement. Metals have high melting point, but exception is there, gallium and cesium, which are having low melting point. Metals have high boiling point. Metals are good conductors of heat. Silver and copper are considered as the best conductors of heat, but lead and mercury are poor conductors of heat. They are the exceptions in this case. Metals are good conductor of electricity. Copper and silver are also considered as the best conductors of electricity. Next is metals are sonorous. Sonorous means they produce sound on rattling sound. They produce rattling sound on striking. The musical instruments are made up of metals. Next is physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals are generally in solid, liquid or gaseous state. Non-metals are soft, but there is an exception, diamond. Diamond is made up of a non-metal carbon and diamond is the hardest substance in the nature. Non-metals do not have luster, means they do not have shining surface, but iodine crystals are having shining surface, so it is an exception in this case. Metals are non-malleable, they cannot be converted into thin sheets. Non-metals are non-ductile, they cannot be drawn into wires. Non-metals which are solids and liquids, they have low melting point. Non-metals which are solids or liquids, they have low boiling point also. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat. Heat cannot pass through them. Non-metals are bad conductors of electricity also, but there is an exception. Graphite. Graphite is a substance which is made up of non-metal carbon and it is a good conductor of electricity. Graphite rods are seen in cells which we use to produce electricity. Non-metals are non-sonorous, means they do not produce sound on striking. So these are the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Refer these properties in your textbook and write the answers which are given in the blue box of the textbook. Also write the notes from this in your notebook.